Hello friends, welcome back to lecture number 7 related to Java programming. In this lecture we are going to discuss about multiple inheritance, how Java support multiple inheritance. Then second we are going to discuss about the interface, how we are going to create interface classes in Java. Okay, in previous lecture already we have seen the concept of our second pillar of object oriented programming, that is inheritance. Inheritance is basically a kind of relationship in which we create different parent and child classes. Okay, and in last class we have seen that with the help of inheritance our basic objective is to achieve the code reusability. We can basically extract it, and basically we can add features of our parent class in our child class. So we created different classes related to a kind of relationship in inheritance. So we have seen this in previous class. Furthermore, we also seen different types of inheritance, because Java support different type of inheritance, like single inheritance, like multiple inheritance, and like multi-level inheritance. Previous code, we have seen about the single inheritance, in which we have just one child class, and this child class inherit or take features of the parent class. Similarly, we have seen the example of multi-level inheritance, in which there is some sort of dependency, as class C depend upon class B and class B depend upon class A. It means that class C take the attribute of class B and class B takes attribute of class A. Now in today's video we are going to discuss about the important concept, that is the multiple inheritance. Java supports single inheritance, Java supports multi-level inheritance, but Java does not support multiple inheritance. Like other programming languages, C++ basically support multiple inheritance, but Java doesn't support multiple inheritance. So we are going to discuss how we can implement the concept of multiple inheritance with some substitute classes, or with some alternate method. So if Java does not support multiple inheritance, so what is the way to achieve the concept of multiple inheritance? And multiple inheritance is that type of inheritance in which we have the child class C, and child class taking features, or it is inheriting attribute from multiple classes, more than two classes. Okay, so class C is taking attribute from class A, and class C is taking attribute from class B. This is the case of multiple inheritance. We cannot write this syntax in Java. Like we have the class A and class B, and if we are going to write the class C, that extends basically create inheritance among different classes. So if we are going to use the keyword class C extends A comma B, then it will give us error. The reason is that Java does not support multiple inheritance. We cannot extend our class from more than two classes. Okay, so this is not allowed in Java. So what is the alternate way? Alternate way is to add the interface classes in your Java application program. Interfaces, yes, supports multiple inheritance. Interface contains collection of abstract method, and secondly, interface contains common behavior. What does mean by the common behavior is that we are going to create an interface class payment, then that payment method can be implemented with the help of credit card or with the help of cash. So these are the common behavior. We are going to pay something, so we can use either credit card payment method, or we can use by cash payment method. So this is the way how you support multiple inheritance with the help of interface classes. So what you are going to use the keyword in Java. In Java, basically we use the keyword implements to create type of multiple inheritance between two different classes. And for inheritance we already use the keyword extend. Okay, so I'm moving toward the Java application in order to implement this concept. This is the code that already we have created in our previous lecture, lecture number 6. If you don't have seen lecture number 6, then it is kindly recommended to go through that lecture in order to clarify your concept. Okay, so this is the product class already we have created. This is our parent class, and in this parent class we list our main method as well. We have created our main method in the parent class. Then we have the electronic class, and this electronic class basically extends product, and it has an additional method, that is the brand. Okay, so this is the constructor and display method in the electronic class. Already we have defined it in detail in previous lecture. Or similarly, this is another class, smartwatch, that extend basically electronic class, and it has a GPS as an additional attribute. So this class also contain the display method. It also contain the parameterized constructor as well. In order to implement the concept of interfaces in Java, we need to add interface classes. So what you need to do in addition to your existing product, electronic and smartwatch class is that you need to add an interface. In your project explorer, where these classes are saved, you move toward the source folder, and in source folder you can see that there is a list of classes that you have created, normally for creating the simple inheritance single level or multi-level inheritance. Now we want to achieve the multiple inheritance by using the interface classes. So I am going to right click my source, and from new you can see that there is an option of adding the interface classes. From here I can add interface classes similar as I created normal classes. So I just click the interface here, and it will request for the name of my interface. I'm just adding an interface warranty. Similarly, I'm just making it finish. Now you can see that an interface is created here with the name warranty here. Now I need to add one more interface. Similarly, I'm just right clicking my source folder from the project explorer. I'm just creating a new interface class, and here I am going to give it a name discount. Okay, just I'm making it finish. Now you can see that two interface classes are added here. First is the warranty, second is the discount. So what interface classes normally contains, basically they contains a list of abstract method. And what is the difference between normal classes and the interface classes is that interface classes contain pure abstract method, and you need to implement these abstract method in your relevant classes in which you want to achieve the multiple inheritance. Similarly, your normal classes does not contain in pure abstract method. This is a difference. And one more thing is that you cannot create an object of the interface classes, while you can create object for your normal classes. It means that we cannot create an object for warranty class, and we cannot create an object for our discount class in our main method. Now the question is that which class is responsible for creating the object for these interface classes, and the answer is that the class that is going to implement these abstract method is responsible for creating their object. Means electronic class or smartwatch, if they are going to implement these additional method, because smartwatch have the warranty method and smartwatch have also this discount method as well. So they are taking the features from two different classes, warranty and discount. So they need to implement this interface class. Okay, just I'm going to add the warranty class, and I need to add abstract method because your interface contain the list of the abstract method. I'm going to create a abstract method void warranty details. Okay, so this is the abstract method that I have listed in my warranty class. Similarly, I'm going to add an abstract method in my discount class, void discount details. These are abstract method, and in Java you don't need to write the abstract keyword here. It is by default abstract. What method you are going to add in your interface classes, they are considered as the abstract method. So now I've created these two interface classes, and in electronic class I am going to implement this interface. So as already our electronic class is extended from our product class because it take the features of ID, name, and personally from electronic class it take the feature of the brand. In additionally we want this electronic class to take feature from two different classes. From warranty class it take the feature of warranty detail because every product have the warranty, and in discount class it take the feature of the discount because every product can have the discount rate as well. So this is the syntax for the simple inheritance. Now we want to implement the multiple inheritance. For this we need to use the keyword implements. And what is implement? Basically this class implements two different interfaces. First is the warranty and second is the discount. So you can see that I have mentioned this your interface class can be implement more than two interfaces, while your child class just extend one product and one class at a time. It will extend one class, but it can implement multiple interfaces. Now you can see that it is giving me an error. The reason is that I've just make it clear that I'm going to implement these two classes. So we need to define definition for these method as well, warranty detail, and I need to provide the definition for discount detail. So in electronic class I am just after using the implement keyword that make the connection for the interface classes, I am going to provide the definition of abstract method. So here I am going to add two abstract method here, that is I'm going to use public this is the method for our interface class, public void. First is the warranty details, and in this method I am going to print a message system.out.println our product have 1 year of warranty. Similarly I'm going to add an additional method for the discount, that is the we have discount interface contain the discount detail abstract method, so we need to implement it here. Just public void that is the discount details method here. Just I am providing the definition. Just I am providing a simple message, our product have 10% of discount. So this in this method in this class, electronic class, I provide the definition for these abstract methods that are listed in our interface classes. Now this electronic class extend product class, and it implements two different classes in order to support the multiple inheritance, warranty and discount, and it is taking some method from the warranty and it is taking some method from the discount class, and these method definition is provided in the list here. So what you need to change your main on. Okay, now we want to call this in our product class. So I'm moving toward the product class, and here we have the main method in which we have created our list of object. We have created the object for our electronic laptop, then we have called the method for the relevant classes laptop.display. Similarly we have created a smartwatch object and we have called a method watch.display. So I'm going to add one additional method here because already I have created the electronic object. Reason is that we cannot do this thing. means we cannot create warranty object w equals to new warranty. As I'm going to create this, it will give me an error. The reason is that it is an interface, cannot instantiate the type warranty because it is an interface class, and reason is that we cannot create the interface objects. So what we need to create the object, we can approach how we can implement it is that we can use this electronic object because it provides implementation of these abstract method warranty detail and discount detail, and this implement this, and all these classes are in same package, so they know each other very well. This is the beauty of packages in Java. So this is the electronic dot display. Then I can call the message laptop dot warranty. You can see that here I am getting the function discount detail. Similarly, I am getting the function laptop dot I am getting the function of discount, and further another method that we have created is the warranty detail. Okay, so these two methods we have achieved. Now we have created the class object, and this class object basically implement these two interface classes, and with the help of this class object we can access our function that are the abstract functions. So as I'm going to execute it, proceed, and now you can see that here product ID is 1, product name is laptop, brand of product is Dell, and then our product have 10% discount, our product have 1 year of warranty. Okay, so from these are the lines that basically created interfaces in Java. So with the help of interfaces we can implement multiple inheritance. So this is all about the interfaces in Java, how you're going to implement it. One more thing is that in order to conclude this lecture, these are the basically syntax that we have created for our application. We have created a single inheritance in which our electronic class extend our product class. We have created the multiple inheritance in which our smartwatch basically extends electronic class, and in order to implement the multiple inheritance we created smartwatch that implements warranty and discount, and warranty and discount are the interface classes that contains the abstract method for implementing the multiple inheritance concept in Java. So it's all about the today's lecture. It is kindly requested to kindly like and subscribe our channel.